Hello my dear friends, I Aishwarya welcome you all to my channel Jazzy Jewels. So today we are going to make a jewelry design which we haven't made yet on this channel, which is of this beautiful and classy bracelet. So I have made this bracelet in a combination of crystals and these beautiful golden beads. So I hope that you will enjoy this tutorial and will give thumbs up to this video. If you like this design, do let me know in the comments below because I am so much curious that how this bracelet has turned out to be. Now in my viewpoint it is so beautiful, but I have to know how people like it. So do let me know in the comments below so that I will come to know that whether my design is good or bad. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, do press the subscribe button and hit the bell notification so that we can meet on a regular basis to make such amazing, creative and innovative jewelry making designs like this in the future. And now let's get started. So the material required is the small size beads, then 5 mm crystal beads. I have taken pink color, jump ring, beading wire, this necklace hook. So first of all we will wave these beads. So what we are going to do is first we will add 5 beads of this type. We are going to add insert 8 beads of this type, and then we'll add one one crystal bead. So I have added 8 beads, and then we'll add one crystal bead. So you can see that I have inserted 8 beads and then one crystal bead and then again 8 beads. So we have to repeat the same process for all these 5 crystal beads. So I'll quickly do that. If you are new here, do subscribe to my channel and make sure to like, share and comment to this video. And now we are going to wrap this with the help of a log bead. So I am taking this log bead and will take one log bead first and make a loop here. Don't fold this wire much. And with the help of plier, press this bead to make a firm lock. Now keep all these beads to one side and cut the extra wire. Again we'll make a loop like this. Make it very carefully. And place it here. So this is our one line. Similarly we have to make 5 to 6 more. So I have already made them. Now we will just simply attach them. For that I am taking this jump ring and I'll open this, and initially I will add in this one by one.
and with the help of plier we'll close this loop. Now to this end we are going to insert them in a zigzag manner, that is first comes in the end or second comes at the third position to have a good look of this. So insert anyhow, don't insert them one by one to form a good look. Okay, so it is almost done. Now we will add this hook and few more jump rings. You can adjust as per the size. Now we will insert them in this. Okay, so with this quick and beautiful bracelet, it's ready. How do you think about the combination that I have used here? Isn't it looking very pretty?
If you like the tutorial, do like to the video. Do subscribe to my channel to watch amazing jewelry making tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching my video to the end. See you next time.